Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really fed up of talking and I really want to show you what vitamin C does to our skin. How effective and stable is the B Minimalist vitamin C. So today what I'll be doing is मैंने ये दो एप्पल लिए हैं एंड मैं इसको स्लाइस करूँगी. These slices of apple, एक में मैं लेमन लगाऊंगी. Ascorbic acid, a pure form of vitamin C. Okay, I am alone, so it is getting little messy. And एक में मैं बी मिनिमलिस्ट का विटामिन सी सीरम लगाऊंगी. सो या और इसको मैं अच्छे से स्प्रेड करूँगी. ओके ना ये वाला विटामिन सी and I am using this product for more than 20-25 days and I'm not using it alone. I'm using it with alpha arbutin because I don't have enough patience right now to test the products. So also I have read somewhere that alpha arbutin and vitamin C works better and they work in the synergy. So I thought why not to give them both a shot. So yeah. So for a long time I want to have a good vitamin C serum into my skincare routine, but there were so many buts in other brands that I have not tried them, but I really love the formula of vitamin C of B Minerals and I want to give it a shot. So what vitamin C do to our skin? It fights free radical damage, it prevents oxidative damage of our skin. Now what are all these things? So there are free radicals into our skin that get happy when we smoke, when we drink, when we get emotional, when we get sad, when we exposed to sun, when we are exposed to pollution. So they become very happy and they just want to break our skin. They want to break the collagen of our skin and they want to do every bad things that we can imagine that leads to a very dull and aging skin. Now what vitamin C does is it prevents the oxidative damage, the free radical damage that is caused to our skin by these free radicals. It generally has three properties: anti-aging, antioxidant and bright. Also it is one of the ingredients that help in reducing the harmful effects caused by sun to our skin. Like there is some pigmentation, there is tanning, there is so many damage that sun does, so it helps in preventing the harmful effect. Like it is not a sunscreen and it should not be used as a sunscreen. With the vitamin C is that the most purest form of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, it is not stable and it is so difficult to pack that small vitamin C ascorbic acid into a small bottle so that it does give the result that it is intended to give, because it oxidizes in air, it oxidizes in light, and it is really a task for a formulator to jam it in a bottle so that it delivers the result that it is intended to give. Now coming to B Minimalist Vitamin C Serum, its consistency is neither too thin, neither too thick, but a very lightweight consistency. Its first ingredient is Centella asiatica leaf water, which is known to have a good soothing properties to our skin. Then it has 10% ethyl ascorbic acid, a form of vitamin C that is known to be a new generation of vitamin C. Like I love this, guys, and I am so surprised how they managed to get this in India. Like it is patented and it is not easily available, and this has ethyl ascorbic acid. Oh my god, this is the most stable, less irritating form of vitamin C. It has the ability to penetrate into our skin. It has the ability to get converted into 80% ascorbic acid, that is the purest form of vitamin C. There are so less derivatives of vitamin C that are able to give you that result. Also they have hydrating ingredients like glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, and they have 1% Ag, which is also known to be a brightening agent. So I have actually used this in combination with alpha arbutin, and it has really given me the most brightening effect that I could ever get from any of the cream. I use it in the daytime. I apply sunscreen after this because it is not stable in presence of the sunlight. Also I would not recommend it to use with niacinamide, AHA or your retinoids. They have mentioned the pH index 3.9 to 4.3, and also this is the form of vitamin C which is stable in the pH 4 to 5.5. Like this is pretty awesome because generally vitamin C are stable in the pH of less than 4, so they become very irritating to our skin to actually take it. It has a tingling effect onto your skin if you have really active acne or if you have exfoliate your skin, then you will feel a little bit of tingling effect, and otherwise it is quite a gelable product. You won't feel that much tingling, and it feels sticky when you apply it, but that stickiness disappear after 10-15 minutes, and their all products have this stickiness. The problem that I face with B Minim's vitamin C is that the bottle is leaking, and I wish they could have a pump, like they have a dropper. If your vitamin C product is turning yellow or brown, then please do not use it, because it has oxidized and it will do more harm than good to your skin. सो प्लीज़ थ्रो दैट प्रोडक्ट। एंड बहुत ही ईजी गो वाला विटामिन सी है कि हाँ कोई भी पीएच दे दो, और स्टेबिलिटी का भी कोई इशू नहीं है। लाइक आई रियली लव दिस फॉर्म ऑफ विटामिन सी। सो वेरी क्विकली गाइस आई विल बी टेलिंग यू व्हाट हैपेंस टू दोज एप्पल, आई लिटरली फॉरगॉट दैम।
जिस पे हमने कुछ नहीं लगाया था उसकी शक्ल देखिए, एंड सी जिस पे लेमन लगाया था, एंड दिस इज जिस पे हमने विटामिन सी लगाया था बी मिनिमलिस्ट का। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट विटामिन सी डज टू आवर स्किन, and that is the magic of vitamin C that I want to show to you. Although our skin is not like an apple, it is more complicated. Of all the three, the Be Minimalist product has performed really very well.
I hope you like this video and you enjoy this channel. Okay, bye.